Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. Today's topic of discussion is Amitabh Kant to serve as new G20 Sherpa. So before moving ahead in this video, let me tell you that this topic is a part of your GS Paper 2 or Paper 3 syllabus pertaining to groupings and agreements involving India and or affecting India's interest. So without any further delay, let's start our video. The former CEO of Niti Aayog, Amitabh Kant, will take on the role of G20 Sherpa. Piyush Goyal, Union Minister, would be replaced by Amitabh Kant because he is expected to resigning owing to workload. Let me tell you that later this year, India will preside over the G20. It should be highlighted that the nation requires a full-time G20 Sherpa, which Goyal is unlikely to provide as he already holds a number of cabinet positions. While the Sherpa would need to dedicate a lot of time to several meetings that will be held in various regions of the country because India will hold the G20 presidency this year. And according to the sources, Union Minister Piyush Goyal is responsible for a number of ministries in the Modi government, which take up a lot of his time. The minister is also charged with additional urgent tasks, much like the Rajya Sabha leader. Goyal has served as the nation's G20 Sherpa since September 7, 2021. And for about 6 years, Kant led the top Indian government think tank for public policy. His extended term concluded last month. Currently, Parmeshwaram Iyer serves as the CEO of Niti Aayog. Now we will understand some points about the G20 Foreign Ministers meeting. The G20 Foreign Ministers meeting will get underway in Bali. The gatherings will be viewed as a strategic forum to talk about international recovery initiatives. Ministers will debate enhancing multilateralism in the first session, while the food and energy crisis will be tackled in the second session of the meeting. So this is all about the topic. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.